All right, everyone, today we're going to do a craft to go along with the Russian theme. We're going to make Matryoshka dolls, which are the Russian nesting dolls. It's a fun, easy craft that hopefully your students will really enjoy. Okay, let's look and see how it's done. Okay, so let's look at our materials. So you need scissors. Now, if the children will be cutting the paper themselves, make sure that you use safety scissors so no accidents will happen. And then also glue. You can use the glue stick, but I've noticed that the liquid glue actually works better on holding the paper on the curved surface. And then some type of crayon, marker, colored pencil. Be aware as well that you don't want to use permanent marker, as I did with the children though, because otherwise you will go home with a permanent new designer shirt. All right, so once we have all of our materials on hand, let's get started putting everything together. So first you need to create a body for your doll. So you can cut just squares and then just round them off on the edges, and it makes a perfect body. Then you need to create the head or the shawl. Makes kind of like a bell shape, and then just cutting out a circle for the face. The best thing to do is to cut all of these out ahead of time for the children, and then they can just put them together. Makes it much faster and more fun. Okay, so here's the fun part. This is where the kids can get creative in making the face of your doll. So you start with a blank circle, then you can add the hairline, and then color in the hairline. Add the eyes, which are usually just 2 circles, and you can add some eyelashes. Traditionally, the outer layer is a woman. It is a female because it is the mother, but on the inside it doesn't matter. It can be male or female because they are her children. Then just adding a little nose, and then the 2 rosy cheeks, and then adding some lips. All right, so once you have the face made, it's time to assemble the doll. So you just get a cup. Then the first thing you want to do is place the body of the doll on the cup and glue that on. Then you can add the head or the shawl. Then adding the face of the doll. And you can either have the children do the face ahead of time or on the dolls themselves. And then you have your finished product. Okay, so here we have the finished product. As you can see, I did 7 dolls because traditionally 7 is a common number you see with the Matryoshka dolls. You also see 5, but you can do however many that you like. As you can see as well, I did the same face on each one simply because, well, it was easier. But you can have the kids do different faces on the dolls themselves. Of course, that makes it more fun. And then you can have them actually do the stacking, or nesting, which is what the dolls are made for. But also, if you want to have another fun game, you can do a little hide the ball, where you have a ball under one cup, and you can do the switching around and where is the ball, and that's a lot of fun too. And the kids really enjoy that. So have fun making your Matryoshka dolls.